Hello there, friends. Welcome back to Flavors and Knowledge podcast, where we step into the wonders of the culinary world in an effort to expand everyone's culinary repertoire. I'm your host, Chef Walter Potenza. In this episode, I'll be delving into the classic Demiglaze. And if you're a fan of French cuisine, you're probably familiar with the Demiglaze. This sauce is a crucial component of many French dishes, providing a depth of flavor that cannot be replicated with other ingredients. Demiglaze is created by combining Espagnole sauce with brown stock and simmering it until it reaches a concentrated, syrupy consistency. The resulting sauce can be used as a base for additional sauces or as a flavor enhancer for meats, vegetables, and other proteins. To create a demi-glace, you'll need 2 quarts of beef or veal brown stock, 2 cups of Espagnole sauce, a bouquet garni, which is nothing but a bundle of fresh herbs such as parsley, thyme, and bay leaves, and salt and pepper to your liking. Combine the brown stock and the Espagnole sauce in a large, heavy-bottomed saucepan. Add the bouquet garni and adjust the taste with salt and pepper. Then, bring the mixture to a first boil over high heat, then reduce the temperature and soft simmer for at least 2 hours, while occasionally, of course, stirring. The liquid will reduce and thicken as the mixture cooks, resulting in about 1 quart of demi-glace. So as you can see, there is just about a lot of shrinkage in the process, but it is a condensed flavor, that is why. And once the sauce has reached your desired consistency, remove the bouquet garni and strain the sauce through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth, which will remove any solid particles. This will ensure a smooth texture and prevent lumps or bits from ruining your sauce. Allow the sauce to reach the cooling room temperature for about 35 minutes, and then it's ready to be stored in an airtight container in your refrigerator for up to 1 week, or if you prefer the freezer, for up to 6 months. Making demi-glace requires both patience and high-quality ingredients. Straining the sauce and avoiding over-seasonings are critical steps in achieving your perfect flavor. Properly storing your sauce in an airtight container will help to maintain its freshness and taste for a while. In terms of history, demi-glace has a long history in French cooking, dating back to the 18th century. Chef Auguste Escoffier popularized the sauce as a foundation for all sauces in classical French cuisine. Today, it remains a staple in French cooking. It is used in other culinary traditions worldwide to create flavorful, complex dishes. If you want to take your French cooking to the next level, mastering the art of demi-glace is necessary. Thank you for joining me on this tantalizing exploration of the world of demi-glace. If you would like to receive a recipe, I'm asking you to please subscribe for free to our newsletter on walterpotenza.substack.com. I will have all this information and the links pertinent on the show notes. In the meantime, keep your taste bud curious and your culinary adventure simmering. I promise we'll reconnect on the next round. Eat safe and stay well.
Flavors and Knowledge is brought to you by Chef Walter's Cooking School in Cranston, Rhode Island. For classes, workshops, events, and programs, please visit our website at chefwalterscookingschool.com. For all other services offered by Chef Walter's Food Group, check out our main website, chefwalter.com.